IntelliReefs bridges the gap between citizens and institutions to increase progress on the Sustainable Development Goals set forth by the United Nations. Using data-driven science and nanotechnology, we are able to build biodiverse, self-healing artificial reef systems that promote the rapid growth of marine biodiversity. Our ongoing study in St. Martin has shown that oceanite is an effective substrate for recruiting coral and other associated organisms in tropical habitats.
What's beautiful about IntelliReefs is it's a center point in which lots of partners can come together and work together and be of service to biological diversity, to resilience, to life. When we set this intention to support biological growth, we have the IntelliReefs in the water for a year. So we brought down scientists and people who have lots of experience looking at man-made structures underwater. And what we found is it's covered in life.
We also discovered that it can be used to attract far more than just coral. Kelp beds are vital coastal habitats which provide food and shelter to a diverse array of organisms, support commercial fisheries, and can act as a carbon sink to combat climate change. However, these beds and the benefits they provide are often threatened by decreased water quality and habitat loss. IntelliReefs deployed a pilot artificial reef in Halifax Harbor of Nova Scotia, Canada in November 2021. After only 4 months, oceanite had already proven effective in recruiting kelp and its associated community, with up to 70% coverage by marine plants and animals. IntelliReefs has the scientific power to rebuild and revitalize our oceans, from corals to kelp.